Hey guys, this is Dolls Will Be Dolls, and as you can see, I took a pair of white doll shoes and I customized them into a pair Nikes. I got this idea from Spider-Man verse, so I'm afraid to bring the camera closer. I don't know if it's gonna mess up, but I use nothing but Sharpie markers. I don't know if it's gonna clear up this camera. Sometimes the lenses just do what they want to do, but I'm just trying to show you what I did here. I definitely will show you some photos of this. Sorry for the shakiness. So here you can see I took a pair of plain white doll sneakers and I turned them into the customized sneakers. I customized these sneakers after the movie Spider-Man. The one with Miles Morales, okay, the Nikes, the red, black and white Nikes. So this was a fun project to do. I basically just took a marker, Sharpie markers like I showed you in the photo before, and I basically just colored them in. I just looked at the photo of the original sneaker and I just colored in the areas that I needed to. Being that the sneakers was already white, I just needed to shade in the red and the black Nike sign and the black shoestring. So this was actually a fun project. It was easy. I didn't use polymer clay to make the sneakers. I don't really know how to use that type of material yet, but I would love to try it. But yeah, something as simple as that, because I want my dolls to have really nice designer sneakers and designer clothes. Thanks so much guys for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time.